We still have a few things to customize to complete our online store. One of these is the terms and conditions page, as well as the privacy policy page. So we can access these ones at the pages section of the dashboard. So you scroll down and find terms and conditions and privacy policy. So these are those pages. You just click on edit to make changes, include your own privacy policy. So I want to open this in a new tab to have a look at it. So as you open the privacy policy page, you have some already existing data that you can add up your own to. Especially you add those that pertain to your store, how you collect their personal data and all that. You include that in the privacy policy. But you realize that most of them that you need here are already there. You can add those ones that are required at these particular headings. Then you have it completed. Then you publish it to make it live. Then the next page is the terms and conditions page, which you can equally edit to include your own terms and conditions that will guide your online store. The next pieces of information that we would want to modify on the website are those located on the account page and the cart page. So let's see those tests available. If you go to the cart page, you see that we have some information here, which is discount or promo code. Don't have any yet. Check out our discount programs. So this is an information that exists already on our website, which we would want to edit to include our own information. So to modify this piece of information, we have to go to the theme options on the dashboard. So we go to the theme option, click on shop. Then as you scroll down, you see all those down here. So we see this text that is available here. It's exactly what you see here. And the one here is what we see down here. So we may want to modify it. For instance, this one is an HTML code. So this is a link. We can include a link to a particular page. And if you see what this is talking about, the implication of this is that if someone visits the store and the person doesn't have a promo code to use, and you have a page that you have recent promo codes that are available, or you've listed out a program of promo codes, then you can direct the person to click on this link to visit that page and have a look at some of the codes that are available to be used. But if nothing like that exists on the website, then there is no need to keep this link here. Then what we may just do is to just ask that if they have a promo code, they should enter it here. So in that case, let's go back to the options. So it means we can delete all of this here, and then we can add something like, so this is discount or promo code, if any, so that it doesn't sound as if it were obligatory for them to enter a promo code before they can proceed to the checkout process. The next information to modify on the website is the My Account page. Now this is what appears when someone has not logged in and goes to the account page. Let's see how that is so that we modify that one too. Since I've already logged in as administrator, it means that when I go to the shop page or the account page, this page, my account, I will not see that information there because I've logged in. I'll see something different. All these are what I will see. But this information, once again, is visible only to those who have not logged in. I'm going to open the account page in a private tab where I would not log in, so that I'll see how this information displays and come to the dashboard to see exactly what to change and what to maintain. So there's a new private tab. What I see is register or sign in. If you hover over this, you see those two options here. If you are a returning customer, you sign in. If you don't have an account, then you register. So let's click on register, and this is the information we are going to modify. And this information is about giving the users the reason why they have to sign up, and signing up and logging in is really important because all these options listed here are really true. It helps to speed up the checking out process. It helps them to easily track their orders, to keep a record of all their purchases. If someone has some items in the store that he would want to purchase later, the person will be able to log in and add those items to their wish list. Wish list, as we know, is a list of desired items. And so in this case, when someone registers and logs in, then he or she will be able to have all these features enabled for them. They will be able to have a personalized browsing experience on the website. So it means that this information here is okay to include. However, we have to do some few modifications. So let's go back to our dashboard. So the title is Sign Up Today and you'll be able to. So we may want to leave this. And it is saying that Toko buyer protection has covered you from click to delivery and all that. And so we may choose to get rid of that. And this is the heading for the benefits of registration. You can equally get rid of this since it is a mere repetition and keep only this information here. You can also add more. And then this one is the banner that we see here, this particular banner. So if we don't like this too, we may want to get rid of it. And then the icon too, we can delete it. But if we have some custom message that we want to keep there, we can equally leave it here and save changes. So at this point, we've customized almost everything on the website to suit our own preferences. If there are still some areas that you want to modify, you can just go through the website, explore, and find those areas or sections and modify them accordingly.